everyone, welcome to the channel Science and Tech. And today I'm going to telling you how you can so I have written a diagram for the circuit. Now you can see a straight cell, or you can also use battery and bulb. So each has two terminals. According to this, you can attach that. So now I will show you in the practical. I have a mango battery here, a switch here, and bulb here. I have already connected them all. So now I have used the connector, but you can also use wires. Connect these two terminals. One terminal should be connected to the one terminal of the switch, and other is the bulb. And the rest, the bulb should be connected to switch. Which means that one terminal of each other should be connected to the switch. So now, as you can see, if I will switch on, yeah, the bulb will glow. So this is the only for this. So as thank you for watching my video. If you like it, so please subscribe to